Hello everyone, and thank you for being here. Today we're talking about something that we all experience, yet often struggle to navigate: healing a wounded heart. Whether it's heartbreak from a relationship, the pain of loss, or the disappointment of broken dreams, healing your heart is an emotional journey, but it's also a path to rediscovering yourself. Let me start with a story. Imagine someone who has just gone through a painful breakup. They find themselves replaying conversations, questioning every decision, and wondering what went wrong. This isn't just about romantic loss, it's the universal experience of feeling hurt and questioning our worth. Maybe you've felt this too, like the ground has shifted and left you feeling lost. But what if that heartbreak isn't just an ending, but a beginning? What if it's an opportunity to rebuild in ways you never imagined? Understanding emotional pain: when we go through emotional pain, our mind and heart are essentially grieving. Just as we grieve a loved one, we grieve the life we thought we'd have, the dreams we held dear. It's natural to feel sadness, anger, even resentment. But healing starts with acknowledging these feelings, not burying them. Denial only prolongs the pain, while acceptance is the first step to letting go. Giving yourself permission to feel. Often, we try to rush our healing. We're told to move on or get over it, but that only leads to deeper wounds. Real healing requires us to feel each emotion, no matter how uncomfortable. If you're angry, let yourself be angry. If you're heartbroken, sit with that heartbreak. Feeling isn't weakness, it's strength. Each emotion is teaching us something, and only by experiencing them can we move through the pain. Releasing blame and guilt: one of the heaviest burdens we carry after a painful experience is self-blame. We wonder, was it my fault, or could I have done more? But healing means learning to forgive yourself. Mistakes are part of life. We're all human, and sometimes things don't work out, not because of something we did, but because life had a different path in mind for us. So, release the guilt and let go of the what-ifs. You deserve peace, not punishment. Practicing self-compassion: one of the most powerful tools in healing is self-compassion. Treat yourself with the kindness you'd offer a close friend. Think about it: if your friend came to you in pain, would you judge them or would you comfort them? Offer yourself the same love. You don't have to be perfect. You're allowed to struggle and to make mistakes. Healing isn't about getting rid of pain, but learning to hold yourself with grace through it. Rediscovering who you are: heartbreak often leaves us questioning our identity. We may have tied so much of ourselves to a relationship, a role, or a dream that when it's gone, we feel lost. But here's a beautiful truth: every ending is a chance to rediscover who you are, to explore what you love, and to create new dreams. Take this time to connect with yourself. Reflect on what makes you feel alive. Start by finding small joys, like taking a walk, picking up an old hobby, or spending time with loved ones. Little by little, you'll begin to feel whole again. Focusing on growth over perfection: healing isn't a straight line, it's messy, and that's okay. Sometimes we're told to look perfectly okay, but real growth happens when we allow ourselves to be real, to be messy. Every experience, even the painful ones, brings wisdom. Reflect on what you've learned from this experience. How has it shaped you? How has it made you stronger, more resilient? Healing doesn't mean erasing pain, but growing through it. Rebuilding trust and opening your heart again when you've been hurt. It's natural to build walls around your heart, to fear vulnerability. But to truly heal, we have to learn to trust again: trust ourselves, trust life, and yes, trust people. Opening your heart again is a brave act. It doesn't mean you're ignoring the past, it means you're choosing not to let it define your future. Each time you open up, you're reclaiming your power and making a choice to live fully. Creating purpose from pain: some of the most beautiful things in life come from our deepest pain. Maybe this experience will inspire you to help others, to share your story, or to pursue a path you hadn't considered before. When we transform our pain into purpose, we give it meaning. It becomes a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. Every experience, especially the hard ones, can be a way to help someone else or to deepen your own understanding of life. Ending with hope: healing your heart is one of the bravest journeys you'll ever take. And as hard as it is, remember this: each day, you're moving closer to peace, closer to joy, and closer to a new chapter. Don't rush the process. Give yourself grace, forgive yourself, and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. You have the strength within you to heal, to grow, and to live a life filled with love and purpose. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, A broken heart doesn't define you, it shapes you. And it's leading you to a stronger, wiser, and more compassionate version of yourself. And lastly, like this video to show that you are getting value from what we post. Share so that more women will be brought into the light. And follow to support the page and also push the movement. Thank you.